In this short video, I'll give you a demonstration on how our new ServeWire application can help your congregation find the best fit serving opportunities in and around your church. Church Community Builder is an excellent platform for managing volunteer positions in serving history. The challenge is, however, that there are a number of obstacles for congregants to find the positions that are best fit for them. ServeWire is a WordPress plugin that creates a front-end questionnaire and walks your congregants through the process of identifying their abilities, their passions, and their spiritual gifts, while simultaneously updating their profile in the process. And then it directly brings them to the best fit serving opportunities for them. Now let me show you exactly how ServeWire works and how easy it is to set up. Here's a live example of our questionnaire. We've provided some general instructions, and then we've entered a short code to create a login form. This short code will automatically generate the questionnaire and then display the results after they've completed the questionnaire. To get started, I'll enter my username and password. Now the plugin is loading the questionnaire. The first section covers passions, and all the user has to do is identify yes or no against each of the passions listed. Now these passions are pulled in directly from your CCB site. So all I need to do is walk through, check yes or no to whichever ones I'm passionate about. Click Continue to Section 2. Now I'm covering my abilities, and again, it pulls in the abilities that are identified within my CCB site. So I'll just walk through and check yes or no against each one of these. Click Continue to Section 3. Now this third section covers the spiritual gifts. We've got a series of questions loaded in here that helps the user to be able to identify their spiritual gifts. Now we're using the spiritual gift survey from Lifeway Resources to be able to do this. So I'll take a few minutes and I'll walk through and I'll answer these 80 questions, and then I'll return back and I'll show you what happens when I click on the results button. Now click Save and see results. In the background, my profile is being automatically updated, and now I'm presented with the top 3 spiritual gifts according to the survey. Now after understanding what my top 3 spiritual gifts are, I can click on this button to view serving opportunities that best fit my gifts. And now what happens is I'm automatically logged in to our Church Community Builder database and presented with the serving opportunities that are a best fit to me. So I'm sure you can see the benefits of using ServeWire as a supplemental tool on your Church Community Builder database. Now let me show you what the back end looks like. So the first screen just walks you through the different steps of setting up ServeWire. Under the Settings tab, you'll need to enter your Church Community Builder API URL and your username and password. Optionally, you can automatically add somebody to a process queue. This is a great way for you to know who's completed the survey and to be able to add them to a process queue so that a member of your team can contact them to follow up. Next, you need to build your questionnaire. Again, it's 3 sections: passions, abilities, and spiritual gifts. Once you've connected to your Church Community Builder database, your passions, abilities, and spiritual gifts will be automatically updated in this drop-down menu. So you'll select a passion, and then you have the ability to customize what you want to show on the questionnaire. Follow through. You can add as many of them as you like. Click on Section 2 Abilities and do the same thing. Under Section 3, you'll build your survey. This is a little different from the yes or no. It's a ranking from 0 to 5, 0 being never true, 5 being always true. So you'll select the spiritual gift and then enter the question. We've included a link on the Getting Started page so for you to be able to access the information from Lifeway Resources on their spiritual gifts survey. Once you've set up your spiritual gifts, click the Save button. Now the last step is to enter the gift definitions. This is important because this shows up on the results page and it provides the user an understanding of what each of the top 3 spiritual gifts actually mean. And again, these definitions come directly from the Lifeway Resources spiritual gift in our example. So, your questionnaire is in place. The last thing for you to do is to just enter the short code ServeWire on any page or post where you want your survey to show. Once people start filling out the survey, you have an activity log to keep track of who's actually completed the survey. So you'll see here I have a number of people who have gone through the survey, and it identifies if they've completed the survey or if they dropped out at some point in time. This is a great way for you to be able to follow up with these individuals in case they got lost or didn't understand the survey. And optionally, you have the ability to export this data to a CSV file so you can do some more detailed analysis of trending over time. So that's ServeWire, our new WordPress plugin for Church Community Builder users. A very simple way to help increase volunteer engagement in and around your church. Simply click on the Get Started Now button down below to secure your license of ServeWire.